Hi, my name is Laura Kellogg, and I am a marketing manager at Save Water Co. And we have just recently started using Docparser as part of our toolset. I have been with Save Water Co. for about 3 years now, and what we are is a utility management company specializing in water conservation. We help people cut back on usage by installing high efficiency products, mainly in apartment complexes. So one of the challenges that we faced were with our call sheets. Our call sheets come in PDF form, and unfortunately that meant a lot of time for me as the marketing manager parceling things out to our different sales representatives so that they could reach out to these individuals to discuss what it is that we do and how we can help. So that PDF issue was really challenging for us and very time consuming for me. Because Docparser allows us to pull the information out of the PDFs pretty instantaneously and put it directly into an Excel, it has saved me hours of work. Previously, I would have to go through all of these PDF forms and cross them over to a Google Sheet or an Excel document myself, and then go through and split them between our sales representatives so that it was fair and that we had the correct information in each realm for people to reach out. Using Docparser, all we have to do is upload the PDF, and then within like 2 minutes, we have an Excel that has all of the information broken out as we need it. And then all I have to do is divide the list in half. So that has saved me, I don't even know how many hours a week. It has drastically reduced my workload. So for me, I'm incredibly grateful this is a tool that we have at our fingertips now. We looked at a bunch of companies that thought they might do similar things, and nobody else was actually able to do this because our PDF forms are an embedded table, and that was a non-starter for a lot of companies. So it was incredible that Docparser was able to do this and able to do it so easily, and the customer support that we have gotten has been just phenomenal. So I utilize every feature really that Docparser has, but I think one of the best things is the fact that we had a custom designed parser created for us. Brittany is specifically who helped us. She did a wonderful job. She has been incredibly helpful. And the fact that I don't have to remake it, that I've got a custom template right there that I can use every time is just another huge time saver. So for me personally, while I am over marketing at Save Water Co., it's not just that. I'm kind of a Swiss Army knife, so I have my hand in a lot of different things, and our company is experiencing some massive growth. So right now I'm helping out in a bunch of different realms. So by having my time back that I was spending on this monotonous task of piece by piece separating out this data, now that I don't have to do that, I have so much more time to explore these new tools that we're looking at and to help in other areas of the company. So this has just, for the company as a whole, it has drastically increased our productivity. It's been fantastic for our sales team as well. As I previously mentioned, we had looked at several different companies for something like this. However, our specific use case was such that our PDFs have embedded tables in them. And apparently that's a really difficult thing to do because we looked with 3 other companies and none of them were able to work with embedded tables. Everybody said that that was something that they weren't able to do. Their system wasn't smart enough for. However, Docparser didn't miss a beat. We got that parser done so fast. It was incredible.